Maths isn't just an important subject in school, it's an indispensable part of our life. What makes maths special is that it's universal language, a powerful tool with the same meaning across the globe.
Now I call upon our students to showcase how mathematics is indispensable in our real life.
Good morning, everyone present here. Mathematics is everywhere in life. Today we are here to present one of its topic, trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with study of relationship between triangles and sides of it. And so literally, the word trigonometry derived from Greek word trigon meaning measuring and metron meaning triangle. Some basic ratios of trigonometry. Sin theta, opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite by adjacent. Cosecant theta, hypotenuse by opposite. Secant theta, adjacent, opposite by adjacent. And cot theta, adjacent by opposite. Students, you often ask, why do we learn mathematics? Today you will meet professionals who use math every day in their jobs. Let's welcome them one by one. And listen carefully because after each one I will explain how it connects with what we study.
Hello everyone, I am a civil engineer. My job is to design bridges and tall skyscrapers. For that I use trigonometric ratios like sin and cos. For example, if I need a beam of 10 meter height at 30-degree angle, then height is equal to 10 into sin 30, which is equal to 5 meter. This ensures stability. This helps me to find the length and angle for stability. Without this, a bridge could break under heavy load. Thank you.
Good. Students, remember, this is exactly what we do when solving right triangles in class. Engineers simply apply those ratios in real buildings.
I am architect. My job is to design houses, offices and beautiful structures. I need geometry and Pythagoras theorem to calculate slopes and diagonals. Formula: a square plus b square is equal to c square. If the stair height is 3 meter, base is 4 meter, then the slant end will be 5 meter. Without this calculation, the staircase might be unsafe. I also use trigonometry for floor tiling angles and roof slopes so that the building looks balanced.
Yes, you see, what you solve your geometry problems is directly used by architect to build our house safe and beautiful.
Hello everyone, I am land surveyor. My duty is to measure height of the towers, mountains, buildings without climbing them using the tangents ratio formula. Height is equal to distance into tan theta. For example, if I am standing 50 meters away and seeing the top of the tower located at 60 degree, height is equal to 50 into tan 60, that is equal to 86.6 meters. That's how we locate lands and design roads. Thank you.
This is the same formula you practice in height and distance. Surveyors use it daily to measure tall buildings and design roads.
Hello everyone, I am pilot. I use max for landing or takeoff. I must know the angle of z. Formula. Theta is equal to tan inverse attitude by distance. In my plane is 1000 meter height and 5000 meter away from runway. Sum. Theta is equal to tan inverse 1000 by 5000 is equal to 11.5. This keeps flight safe and smooth.
Excellent. See, trigonometry ensures safe travel. The same inverse trigonometric function you study are used by pilots.
Hi, I am Saver. Out at the sea, there are no signboards. I use a spherical trigonometry to find the distance between 2 points on Earth. Formula: cos C is equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin into cos C. This formula calculates on the globe, and the same is also used in the GPS navigation.
Students, this is why we extend trigonometry to circles and sphere. It helps sailors and even satellite navigate our globe.
I am an astronomer. I study stars and planets. To measure the distance, I use parallax method. Formula: D is equal to B by 2 tan theta by 2. Here B is Earth orbit diameter. Every tiny angle helps us to measure millions of stars kilometers away. Without trigonometry, space could still be a mystery. Thank you.
Wonderful. This connects with our angles and small approximations in trigonometry, which help us explore the universe.
Hello everyone, I am Doctor. I am Dr. Sujay Shankar. Without math, modern medicine is impossible. Formula f of x equal to e power 2 pi I kx dot dk. We use Fourier transforms to convert signals into images. This helps us to detect broken bones, tumors, and diseases, and etc. Thank you.
Students, don't worry. If this formula looks complex, the main idea is math convert invisible signals into pictures doctors can use.
Hi, I am game designer. To make games realistic, I use trigonometry and vectors. Formula for rotation in 2D graphics. X dash comma y dash is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta comma x sin theta plus y cos theta. This makes cars turn, bullet fly, cats jump realistically. Without math, games would look flat and boring.
See, your favorite games depend on mathematics. Next time you play, remember you are actually enjoying applied trigonometry.
Hello, I'm sound designer. I work with sound wave. Sound is a sine wave. Formula y equal to a sin omega t plus theta. This helps us to reduce noise, improve sound quality. I work with design concert halls for perfect acoustic.
Students, this is exactly what you see in trigonometric graph. Waves of sound, light and signals are all modeled by sine and cosine.
I am a mathematician. I don't build or fly, but I create formulas that others use. From algebra and trigonometry to calculus and statistics. I give tools for doctor, scientist and engineering.
Exactly. Mathematics is the foundations of every field. That's why we all call it the language of the universe. Now, dear students, can you see? Maths is not just a number in textbook. It builds building, flies planes, explores space, and entertains us with games, music, and much more. Mathematics is life itself.